All right, so this weekend I was in Colombia for 10 days actually. Me and Fedric were out, and this girl's actually almost robbed us, so I drugged Fedric. So it was just, hey, my buddy Fedric, met him at Gato, my favorite restaurant.
Sit over here. I like to see over here a little bit. I'll sit right here. Uh-oh, here he goes, bro. He's got his cards,
He likes to play his cards.
I do. Ain't good, bro. God.
So I'm here in front of Parque Lleras, and this is at Gato again to kind of clip the scenes there. Some super beautiful women in Colombia, as you can imagine, right? Look at that beautiful body. Jeez. So they had some changes. There's a club right here to the right.
Oh, excuse me. Oh.
I was just gonna get some pictures and videos of these girls. I love this little club right here to the right. A lot of salsa, a lot of...
Does this telephone work?
I'll talk to these girls.
¿Cómo se llamas?
Silvia.
Alan. Mucho gusto. Es mi amigo Federico.
Mucho gusto.
Hey, tú? Hola. How you doing, amigos? Soy Alan. See, Alan.
I think those girls with those guys. I don't know what happened.
Provenza Parque Lleras there, they have shut this part down.
That's where all the hookers are. Remember we were
Over there. Okay.
They know your ass.
They already know me. They're like, oh, wow.
This is
Hold on.
Hookerville.
What's that?
This is Hookerville.
That's where all the hookers are at. You get closer to Parque Lleras.
They shutting it on. I can. I can. Sure can. It is nice.
Fucking crazy. See, man? They're like a rash. Free.
Wow.
So all these girls are here are working girls.
Reynolds.
That's pretty good. Too bad she does what she does.
Yeah, they all do. It's alive.
In this area, they all do, but 99% of them are all working girls. That's that same girl that was in the club at the beginning of the video.
Buenas. ¿Cómo estás? Bueno. Oh, they're doing the fight over here still.
She's like straight working. That was.
Of course, yeah.
But
That is nice. Some negritas, de costeñas.
Some darker Colombian women.
Ah, bueno. ¿Cómo estás? Bueno.
Some guys try to get you in the
no,
bars.
ahora no, café ahora.
Okay.
Cafecito.
Chicas, tequila.
Oh, cool. Medellin. This is real.
So this is
dope.
new. They
Nice
just
car
got these
here.
cars right here, like antique
See,
cars.
This is
You'll see a lot of antique cars
man.
around Medellin and Colombia in general.
Check
But these are
that
totally
out.
restored. Aren't they beautiful?
This is a oldie but goodie. Beautiful car, man. Right here in the. Look at this. This is so nice. This is badass. Right here in Medellin, Colombia. This is cool, man. I like that. That's cool.
So these girls Fedric started talking to, and I think they were just straight Colombians. They seemed cool.
Ah,
Might have
bueno.
been working girls.
¿Cómo se
Man,
llamas?
nah, we're just talking to them.
Ah, bueno. Alan Jiménez.
Real
Mucho
pretty,
gusto.
right? That
Mi
one's
amigo
pretty.
Federico. ¿Y tú?
That's coffee from the locals.
Right here. How much is it? 1 meal.
So yeah, we get coffee from the locals.
Equivalent to about less than 45 cents.
That's right. Support the locals, baby.
Support the locals.
Cheers, pepitos, fritos.
Look at that beauty right there, thickums.
Buenas.
She's like, uh-oh.
¿Cómo estás? Bien.
So she sees my videos. My glasses have a little light on there, just a tiny light, but she knew it. There was a video recording. They're hip to the video glasses now. I have those new Ray-Ban glasses. Wow, look at that one. Ooh, love the boots.
Wow. This is nice.
Lady in red on.
God.
This one comes over here with the
That's a
humongous
lot of
butt. She has a name on her butt, or her name, or somebody.
That's how it starts.
Wow.
Come over and say hello.
Hola. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estamos? Who wouldn't?
Look at that big old head.
I will. And she has tattoos right on her butt. On say it's her name, Marie or some shit.
She has a pretty face, but too
I
bad she's a hooker.
I know it, bro. Nice.
So all these bars, all this area, just working girls, no matter how normal they look, if they're around the Parque Lleras, that 1 block radius, just a 1 block radius, they are working girls. And the going rate can range from 200 to 300. Now I'm in that bar, and this is where me and Fedric start turning up.
Colombianas. Colombia?
Venezuela.
Venezuela. Oh, they're from Venezuela, bro. Colombia the mejor. Venezuela good too. Oh. Who's that? Woo! He a crazy motherfucker.
So I met that dude in there. He was pretty cool, man.
That's a lot of tongue.
That girl got a big old butt. That's what I like too.
That's how it starts.
Wow.
Come over and say hello.
You could tell there she
¿Cómo
goes.
estás? ¿Cómo estamos? Who wouldn't?
Look at that big old butt. I think it's fake, but I don't know.
And she has tattoos right on her butt. Say it's her name, Marie or some shit.
She has a pretty face, but
I know it, bro. Nice.
Well, I hope you liked the video, guys. Hit the thumbs up if you can. See you on the next one.